Hello friends, today let us see how to make Rosantle Fov or Goan style coconut milk poha. Here are the ingredients used for making Rosantle Fov. First, wash the poha or fov with water and keep it aside for 15 minutes. Using mortar and pestle, crush the cardamom pods. Peel the cardamom and crush to make fine powder. Keep the cardamom powder aside. Heat a kadai and add water. After water gets heated, add the washed poha. Cook for 2 minutes. Add jaggery and stir. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add coconut milk and mix well. Do check other Goan Fov recipes given in description. Add cardamom powder. Add little salt and mix well. Simmer for 5 minutes. Goan style Rosantle Fov or flattened rice in coconut milk is ready. Serve this coconut milk poha for breakfast or snacks. If you like this recipe, please like and comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.